Hi guys, happy 4th of July. I just wanted to do a video. I was feeling it. I'm in the process of making vegan mac and cheese. I am not following a recipe. I just don't like to. I just like to try to throw it together myself. Usually it comes out pretty good, but you just never know, so it's a little scary. But it's fun. It's fun. It's like going on an adventure with food. And then when it is good, I'm like, oh, I did that, yay. Anyway, it's a beautiful day here. So this is a bird feeder that I got and just put food in a couple days ago, and I'm still waiting for pretty birds to come. I thought they would come sooner, but unless they came when I wasn't here and I didn't see them, but then again, there is a lot of food still there, so probably not. But I have seen Mr. Squirrel come up on my patio, so Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Don't worry, be happy. Like I said, I'm not following a recipe. I just got a couple different kinds of cheeses here. I'm also using nutritional yeast, flavoring it with this, using, of course, dairy-free milk. I'm also going to be adding in the broccoli and mushrooms in with it. I think that will add a nice little extra healthy, tasty crunch. I'm going to use penne, dairy-free butter, which is really good. And I'm also I put some potatoes in the microwave to soften them. Gonna add that to make the sauce like extra creamy. And I'm getting ready to boil the water. So just to share my heart for a minute here, those of you who maybe aren't in a good place right now, maybe your day isn't going great and it's not the typical celebration of today like you see other people doing. I didn't have any plans today. The only thing I did have planned this morning was I took an early morning yoga class, which was wonderful. It was really, really good for your mind, your body, your spirit. It was a beautiful thing. Other than that, I had no plans, So I just took moment by moment and just appreciated this day and put a positive outlook on it. And just knew that even though I didn't have some exciting plans and, not everything is going great, there's a lot of great things, I'm still healing my heart from a breakup. Before I left for my yoga class, that was the one thing that I did have planned. The washing machine all of a sudden turned on by itself and started making weird noises, and anyway, my washing machine is broke right now. Then right after that, I went in the kitchen and I was using the garbage disposal, and the garbage disposal broke. I'm like, really? So at that point, I could have been like really pissed off and maybe not gone to my class or whatever, but I was like, no, I'm not going to ruin my day. These things can be taken care of. I still have so many other things that are wonderful. It'll pass. It'll get fixed eventually, even though it's annoying, So I went to my yoga class, had a beautiful time. After class, I went to one of my favorite little smoothie places, and I got a big, fresh orange carrot juice, which was it's so good for your body. What you put in your body is very important. Made me feel really hydrated and good, and knowing that I was putting something good in my body, which made me feel happy. And then I decided I'm going to make some vegan mac and cheese today. And that's what I'm in the process of doing. And I have a feeling it's gonna come out really good. So it makes me feel creative, like accomplished when you do things like that. You should be proud of yourself for anything that you do that's good. Don't think something's too small. It doesn't have to be something big for you to feel proud of yourself for. The more proud of yourself you are for doing big things and little things, it'll just bring more happiness into your life. Like a little thing that I did today, I know you might laugh and that's okay, is this dress that I'm wearing. So I bought it one day. I really liked the colors and everything, but it had like these sleeves on it. And although it looked pretty when I bought it, when I was wearing it, it was kind of like around the house kind of dress, you know, something you can just like fling on and be comfortable with. The sleeves would like get in the way and just be like kind of annoying. And I was almost gonna just be like, oh, let me just give this away. But then today I just decided, oh, why don't I just cut the sleeves? So I literally just cut the sleeves off and I'm like, ooh, I really like this dress now. Like, and it's like good for hot weather, and I'm just like, I felt proud of myself for that. So I'm gonna go back inside the house now and put together the delicious, yummy, hopefully, mac and cheese, vegan mac and cheese that is, and I will show you how it came out and let you know honestly, if it came out good or not. All my videos are 100% honest, just so you know. That's all I know how to be. That's all I want to be. True to myself, to others, to God, and rest easy at night. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back and it's done. And see if I know how to turn this camera around. Alright, I guess I have to do it this way. This is amazing. I've outdone myself. Seriously, this is really, really, really good. This is the best mac and cheese I have ever made. Oh my God. I hope you all have a beautiful day and enjoy it no matter what. Please like my video if you liked it. Make a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. And subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more healthy, happy, and musical videos of me singing. Bye for now. And one last thing, last but definitely not least, take care of you. There's only one of you. Take care of you. Mind, body, spirit, because there's only one of you. Take care. Peace out.